parishes. At 2:11 p.m. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Union Parish until 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles south of Huttig, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Marion, Hale, and Leanville. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Union, Louisiana. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Grant Parish, Southwestern Jackson Parish, Wynn Parish, Southeastern Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Southeastern Red River Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Northeastern Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 17 miles north of Campty to 11 miles east of Millam, or along a line from 24 miles west of Jonesboro to 38 miles southwest of Natchitoches, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Natchitoches, Winfield, Jonesboro, Manee, Campty, Montgomery, Allen, Florian, Provençal, Natchez, Martin, Clarence, Goldona, Dodson, Saline, Lucky, Ashland, Calvin, Fisher, and Grobeline. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for portions of north central and northwest